Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin while hair is still damp. Don't wait until it's dry. First, use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and follow with a hydrating conditioner to close cuticle edges. Once rinsed, squeeze out 70–80% of water with a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt. Avoid rubbing. Next, apply a pea-sized amount of silicone-free leave-in cream from mid-shaft to ends and detangle gently with a wide-tooth comb so product spreads evenly. This step locks moisture in and prevents early frizz formation. You now seal and shape the hair to prevent frizz as it dries. Dispense 1–2 drops of a light oil like argan or squalane into your palms. Rub and apply lightly to ends and problem areas. Then, choose low-heat diffusing on a cool setting or let hair air dry while doing controlled scrunching every 2 to 3 minutes to encourage smooth clumping. Make sure to avoid brushing once drying starts. Instead, use fingers or a wide-tooth comb to maintain pattern and minimize cuticle disruption. You finish by locking the style and checking for issues. Once hair is nearly dry, blast with cool air for 10 to 15 seconds to smooth the cuticle and set the style. If frizz reappears later, touch up with 1/2 to 1 drop of oil on fingertips and pat only the dry ends. Avoid roots to prevent greasiness. Also make sure to deep condition weekly and alternate protein versus moisture treatments so the hair structure balances. That prevents chronic frizz and keeps this method working long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.